Okay guys, today's the day. We are going to put our Tesla Model 3 back together, and we're going to take it nice and slow and easy, like molasses in January. Yes, we don't want to break anything. I did find a plug and play wire module connector for a flat pull 4 trailer wiring harness. So we're gonna order it from eTrailer. We don't need to do that right now, but we will run this power line. I will run I will make a scissor cut, a crisscross cut in this grommet right here. I'll run it through it, and I am going to run that power line all the way up to the battery. And then the only thing you need to do when you do get the kit in the mail is get access to this panel on each side and take off this plastic piece right here that comes off. It's right here right now. And then we will be able to plug, when we do get a trailer, which most certainly I'm going to get, you'll be able to just plug and play. It's just crazy, man. They finally have a wiring harness that you just pull your plug off the light and then plug it into this other plug, and then plug that plug into your light, so your lights work. And then if you have to plug in a trailer, it works. So it's very pricey though. It's about 180 bucks at etrailer.com. It is the TK35 VR. That's Tom Kitchen 35 Victor Ralph. But anyways, it's gonna be kind of cool. You know what, the thing I don't like about one thing, I just had to Google how to open the frunk on this car. I've had it open before, but it's set up so that you can't accidentally open it on the freeway. You have to go into your app and open it. And of course, I would imagine if you're moving, forget about it. You're not going to be able, obviously you don't want to open it when you're moving, but it's like that because the screen, you can't open it from the screen. So they don't want you to accidentally open your front when you're going 85 miles an hour down the freeway, I guess. But I had to Google how to open it. Anyways, these are the plates right here that held the bumper on before. The actual hitch receptor takes the place of these two plates. So we're just going to store these in a nice little friendly spot in my garage here. And when I do sell the car, I will take this Ecohitch off, and I will resell it to someone, get my money back, plus another $100. So although it's hard to sell shit to people that buy a Tesla, they usually buy shit new. Except for me. I like getting deals, especially if it works, and it does. Anyways, the reason why we want to open up the frunk is because the battery is under here, and we're going to take that red wire that I showed you, and we're going to run it from the back all the way to the battery. We're not going to connect it today because I haven't even ordered the wiring kit, but I found it, and it would only take like 5 days for me to get it, or less if I want to pay more for shipping. But I can put everything together as long as I got the wire run. You know what I'm saying? We're good to go. We're just, like I said, we're going to cut a slit in that grommet. We're going to feed this wire in, and then we'll run the rest all the way to the front of the vehicle. This wire right here came off of my 2014 Ford F-150 Raptor. It used to run I used to have a 3-way electrical outlet in the back of my Lear cap on my truck. So the Lear people use this wire to give power to that 3-way electrical outlet. And there was like 3 cigarette lighters back there. But we're going to use the same wire to power the module that I'm going to get in the wiring kit. Now, these other things here, they're for something else. Shut up! This is for extra lights. They used to have lights on this plastic fascia, so you used to just plug and play with the lights, but they don't have those lights anymore. And then this one, I'm not sure exactly what it is. but it's not what I thought it was. But no big deal. We've got a wire kit. The only problem is it costs $172. Anyway, wish me luck. I'm going to start putting this install in. The first thing I got to do is build up a spot on this. We're going to put it on the same way we took it off. So we just need to build up a spot so it holds it all the way up here for me. So I'm going to put a couple sleeping bags down and set it on top of it, and then I can start working from one end all the way to the other and close it up. But anyways, we're off to the races. I'm going to start going. I'll show you some more video as we get going.